discomfort is equal to growth. Yeah. Hey my cuties, hello, what's up? So today what we are doing? Nice question. So we are doing today that is very simple thing. I'm sharing 8 harsh truths that you need to listen for your better life. These harsh truths are for what is experienced by me. That's the 8 list that is here I make for you. So it's really help you for your future. Yeah. So first is dating yourself first. You know what? When you become best version of yourself, then your standards are high. Then you date someone that same standard that's worth it. But if you are thinking that I am here and I wanna date a person here, it's only delusional. Be practical, and I know delusional is not a bad thing. I am also delusional, but be practical as well, as because both balance is important. Now move forward to second one, that is reality is a choice. For example, something bad happened to you, like someone rejects you. For example, let me just explain. So someone rejects you and you are like, oh, and you just focus on that thing, maybe something not good for me, and I have something bad things, that's why they reject me. No baby, nothing like that. If someone rejects me, that their choice, it's personal choice. It's not depend like someone rejects me it means you are not worth it. Someone rejects me, it's their loss. Just think like that. And I would say that that experience really help you a lot. Rather than focusing on bad things, focus on your good things and enhance it. That's really help you a lot. If you are positive, optimistic, that's really worth it. So please always be optimistic. Move forward to next one, that is our, yeah, that is running towards. You know what? I would say that in one definition, that is discomfort is equal to growth. Yeah, you listen right, growth. If I share something, you maybe this is derogatory, but I wanna share this because you know what? When you wanna be grow, you need to come out your comfort zone. And how it's possible? You wanna do something and you are just thinking, no, what happened? For example, public speaking. Yeah, so you wanna be a good public speaker, but sometimes you hesitate, you fumble, and you say what people are think about me. Trust me, no one think about you. People are so busy in their life and they only think about their self. So please, if you wanna do something, come out your comfort zone. Yeah, that's an important thing. And next one is our alignment over popularity. What I said in last one, don't think about for others what are thinking about you. Just focus on, that is my favorite one, that no one thinking about you, as I said. So I covered that phase in last one. Now move forward to next one, that is everything happened with a purpose. To be honest, when something bad happened to you, that's good for you. I know this is hits you a lot, but trust me that are good, because universe do everything for you that good for you. Maybe something better will come for you. That's why this loss is needed to learn something new, to do something what you want to, but it happen in future. Best happen in future. You wanna like two things and God give you, you lost two things and you got five things that are best for you. So that's the example I would say that. Move forward to next one, that is pick your struggles. You, for example, you are just sleeping today and tomorrow is your exam and you are saying no, I wanna sleep, I just go and cheat with cheats, or I just cheating with someone. I would say that no, that's not a part of your growth. If you wanna be grow in your life, you need to be struggle. You work hard for yourself, for your parents, for your friends, for your partner. I would say that. So work hard not only for them. They are not the main reason. Main reason is you, your career. So I would say that maybe today you not struggle and you just want to choose chill, and next day, you know what, something that I listen very good, honestly very deep from my heart. If I am explaining in Hindi, आज मेहनत कर लो, अगर आज नहीं किया तो लाइफ कल तुमसे बहुत मेहनत करवाएगी, एंड जब लाइफ करवाने लगेगी, you fucking dead, bro. You so traumatized. You will feel so bad. So I would say that if you wanna be that, please just go for it and work hard. Okay. So next one is self-love sets limit. You know what? Extreme self-love, that the best ever thing. But don't be like totally self-obsessed. I know this is negative word, but yeah, that's negative word. Self-love and self-obsessed both are different things. If you only think about yourself, no, I'm the best, and you compare other people and you think no, they are downgrade, I am the best. That's the problem. If you are the person who really loves yourself but respect others, that's the best ever thing, and I think you should do that. So yeah, that's it. And last one, stop living for others. No one is living for you, so why you are living for others? That's the point. So that's all for today's my side. I hope you just understand what I want to say. So yeah,